Somalia is a country of strategic importance with a coastline of over 3,300 kilometers, which is the longest in continental Africa, and an upwelling zone, which is one of the most productive in the region, offers endless potential for ocean-based industries and investment. We have an abundance of untapped reserves, from fisheries and marine resources to offshore oil and gas and various minerals resources. Sustainable partnership and investment to tap into our rich marine resources. As we discussed the potential for sustainable blue economy and the need for investment and industrial follows, it's imperative that we first address all illegal activities along our coastline and unsanctioned exploitation of our marine resources by foreign fishing fleets, illegal charcoal trade to foreign markets, and dumping of toxic waste have become some of the most serious environmentally challenges affecting the Somali coast. I hope one of the momentous outcomes of this historic conference would be a strong commitment to cooperate and controlling all illegal offshore activity.